Greetings everyone, my name is Chef Jason Manson. I'm a professional chef for almost 20 years. I've been working in this professional line, especially in Malaysia, in Singapore, in Beijing, and also one time in Australia. Right now, I'm doing my own food consultation firm. Basically, I do a lot of menu development, creating a new food concept, and also basically doing a lot of food styling for a lot of this corporate food business. For this dish, the reason why I'm using the Australian lamb leg because it's more tender, lean, and definitely more flavorful for my Pansuh dish. The reason why I'm using Australian lamb because the quality and the availability is consistent, and I would say definitely it's certified halal for our Malaysian market. By joining this ambassador program, I wish I can share more ideas and more recipe to our new young chefs. And also as a local Sabah chef, I will definitely create more recipes, more ideas by using this Australian lamb.